video? You're doing...
I'm doing video.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna replace these brakes with these new power brakes on my JK. And right now I'm running Dynatrack big brakes. They did the job pretty great, but it's time to upgrade and see, follow this weight down. So let's see what happens. Yeah, so you gotta take the backing plate out, 21 millimeter bolt here, and your backing plate comes off. That's what it looks like. This is the Dynatrack. Yeah, buddy. Left hand, right? Yeah. Look at the size of these rotors. Dynatrack. Wow. "17-inch wheel. With the weights and all. Clears everything. Just put the wheel on. And 17-inch black Rhino. Just did like a glove.